Hello everybody, I'm here again at the farm. I was checking my vegetables. This is my latoy here, and that's my ampalaya there. My kamuti, alugbati, my okra, my pipino. It's pipino. And we have a latoy, and we have sugat, charis. Yeah, this is the farm. Dahil ko pang linisin. But still, nasugatan ng Disney Princess. That's why I cannot hilamon the grass. This is the toy, guys. Yeah. Di ko natapos yung paglilinis sa harapan kasi nasugatan ako. Yan, guys. Konti na lang malinis na, guys, yung harapan ng aking harapan ng farm. And there's a sisiyo. Thank you for watching, guys.